And we're all gathered here mga kapatid because of one thing. Isang bagay yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkakatipon-tipon ngayon. At ang tawag sa bagay na yun, pag-ibig.
Today, I join my life to yours, not simply as your husband, but as your friend, your lover, and your biggest supporter. Let me be the shoulder you lean on and the companion of your life.
Today is the day that we have waited and imagined for so long to finally have the blessing of our beloved Ingkong.
Lloyda, kailangan hindi kita pagkakasalan. Isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapanan sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo.
Mahal ko, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksihan. Isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama.
This will be one of the happiest days of our life as a couple and partner. And I thank God, beloved Ingkong and Mama Mary, for making it happen. I remember that this is also the same day that I admit to myself that I really love this person. Thank you for making it more worthy, mahal.
Love is always mysterious that if even us, we cannot really understand bakit tayo nandito ngayon. Ang alam lang natin, si Lloyd at saka si Marco ay kinakasal. But because of love, all of us are gathered here, saan man tayo napunta, saan man tayo nanggaling. Andito tayo ngayon sapagkat sa isang rason, sa pag-ibig na lubhang misteryoso.
Today, I vow that I will be here for you through ups and downs, and I will devote myself as a loving wife to you. I will try to be the best version of myself every single day.
Sa pag-ibig natin na matatagal. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin.
I promise that I will honor, respect, and cherish you, and will always choose you over my pride and ego, even at the time that we are on the rock bottom of our lives. I vow that whenever our relationship is in the midst of conflicts, I will run to our little altar and will pray for the healing of our hearts, so God's hands will touch it. And for us to see and be reminded that whatever joined by God cannot be separated by anything nor anyone.
The river will flow forever at ang end ng river will always be a sea. It will always be an ocean. At ang pag-ibig, ganun din. Ang pag-ibig na ibinibigay ng Diyos, ng mahalin kong sa inyong dalawa, Marco at Lloyda, it should always flow forever and it should always end up to something big. It should always end up to something better. It should always end up to something best.
Ang buhay pag-aasawa ay parang roller coaster. So, hindi siya laging, feeling mo may butterfly lagi sa stomach nyo. So, it's not. Gusto ko lang sabihin na, sana pag may mga challenges na dumating sa buhay nyo, lagi nyo pipiliin yung isa't isa.
Finally, it's a really a great pleasure to invite all of you to stand, raise your glass and newly married couple. And join me in this very good health and wonderful life to you.
I just wanted to know how proud and happy I am for this new chapter of your life. And I can proudly say na sobrang swerte ni Marco sa'yo. You are the most precious person I have in my life. And I will always choose you. Sa iyo pa rin ako lagi tatakbo and happy or when life becomes so hard. And I hope ganun ka din sa akin. Ang technically, kailangan ko na muna ang tawag sa akin.
Hindi ko alam
Huwag mong takutan ang mga problema o sakripisyo. Kasi pag walang sakripisyo, walang bunga ang inyong pagpapagahal bilang mag-asawa. Ang importante magkaroon kayo ng respeto sa bawat isa, magdahang gawin. Pag-ulit yung isang tingin mo kung paano kayo nagpakumbaba.
Naway, maligaya kayo, magmahalan kayo. Mga anak, respeto, paggalang, at pagpapahalaga ang kailangan sa asawa para lalo kayo tumibay, matatag, at magmahalan habang buhay.
ikaw lang iibigin, sinta.
When you love, you always sacrifice. Because if you cannot sacrifice, you cannot love. Ang pag-ibig at ang pagmamahalan ay parating may kaakibat na sakripisyo. You will never know how to love truly if you do not know how to sacrifice. And in being said, totoo nga, love hurts. Masakit umibig, but the love itself is the very reason for you to endure everything. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig.
Malay ko bang hindi makapag-
I promise to stand beside as your husband and friend in sickness or health, in times of prosperity and decline in peace, and in turmoil, as long as we both share.
Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang ibig-ibig. Kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka, hawakan na ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin.
I promise that I will be your home now and forever. And love, leaving our family every year will be hard for the both of us. But one thing is for sure, that is maghintay palagi. Palagi mo. You're one of the greatest blessings to our little family. And I will forever love you for the rest of my life.
Sinta.